Everyone, today I'm going to solve an Excel exam. It's IT214 final project. In its project description, you have recently become the CFO for Beta Manufacturing, a small cap company that produced auto parts. As you step into your new position, you have decided to compile a report that details all aspects of the business, including employee tax, withholding, facility management, sales data, and product inventory. To complete the task, you will perform a variety of the tasks in the Excel. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel and open IT214 final project. I have already opened this file. That's our file. We will complete the following set of steps on the insurance worksheet. So we will move to the insurance worksheet. That's our insurance worksheet. We will go to the second step. Apply the Ascent 5 cell style to the range A4 to F4. So we will select A4 to F4, that is A4 to F4. We will go to the cell style and select Ascent 4 cell style, that's our Ascent 4 cell style. We will move to our second step, third step. In the cell I5, use the COUNTIF function to determine number of full-time employee. Full-time employee have the FT for the status value in the column B. So we will go to the column I5. That's our cell I5. We will use COUNTIF formula. Start our bracket. Range. Our range is in the status bar. We will select our range. That's our range. And criteria is in the inverted commas. We will put FT and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got the number of full-time employees in the cell I5. That's our third step. Our fourth step is in the cell I6, use AVERAGEIF function to determine the average salary of the full-time employee. Format the result with the accounting number format. So we will go to the cell I6. Here is we will use AVERAGEIF function. We will start our bracket. We will select the range. Our range is in the salary range where we need to get the average of the salary, and criteria is our criteria is FT and we will put is equal to, why it's not working, we will use average if to determine the salary of the full-time employees. Format the result in the accounting number format. That's our range. We will select the range here, status range, and our criteria is FT, while our average range is the salary column. We will select the salary column and we will close our bracket and press enter. So we will get our result here in the average of the full-time employee. We will press Ctrl plus 1 and make the accounting number format with accounting number format only with 2 decimal places and press OK. We have got our result here in the cell I6. We will move to our fifth step. Our fifth step is in the cell E5, use the VLOOKUP function. We will go to the cell E5. That's our cell E5. We will use VLOOKUP function. We will start our bracket. And what is the lookup value? to determine the text deduction amount for the number of dependent listed in the cell C5. So our lookup value is the cell C5. We have selected the cell C5. And table array, what is the table array? Use the table in the range H13 to I17. We will select the H13 to I17 and make this one as an absolute reference by pressing F4 or dollar sign inside this. And what is the cool index? The cool index here is the second column. And what is we need to complete the, and we use a 0 as a false and close our bracket, press enter. So we have got our deduction in the cell E5. That's our cell E5. We will go to our sixth step. Our sixth step is copy the function from E5 down, completing column E. Be sure the appropriate cell reference to ensure the value of the calculate properly. Format that result with the accounting number format. So we will copy this one downside and we will press Ctrl plus 1 and apply accounting number format. That's our sixth step. We have maybe 3 different parts of this exam. I have performed 6 steps on the first part. Now we will go to the second part. Complete the following set of steps on the facilities worksheet. So we will go to the facilities worksheet. That's our facilities worksheet. What is asking? I will do one more steps of this if function, or we will go to the this one 11th step. Use a goal sheet to determine what loan amount could be result in the monthly payment 6,000. In other words, we want to change the loan amount E6 to reach the desired goal amount 6,000 in the cell B6. So we will go to the data tab. Here in the group what if analysis, we will select the goal sheet. And what is cell he is asking? Change the loan amount E6 to reach the desired goal 6,000 in the cell B6. So we will select the B6. That's our cell B6 to a value. What is value he is asking? $6,000. We will select $6,000. By changing the cell, it's changing the cell E6. We will put E6 here, E6, and we will press OK. So we have got our results of the goal 6 status. That's our first step. Our second step is 12th step is define a name reference to the cell E6 as a loan amount. So we will go to the select E6 and call this one loan amount. That's our cell E6. We will put this one as a loan amount. Make this one a range name as a loan amount. What's the other? Define the reference for the cell. No, for E6 is E6 loan amount for E6. It's loan amount. Loan amount, press enter. And for B6 it's payment amount. For B6 you will select the cell B6 and go to the formula tab, and here in the define name you will put as a payment amount. Payment amount and press OK. So we have make the two range names to this B6 and E6. In the cell B12 enter a reference to the beginning loan balance by using the cell names loan amount in the cell C12 and enter a reference of the name payment amount. So we will in the cell B12 enter a reference beginning the loan balance using the cell name loan amount. So we will go to the B12. Here at the B12 we will put is equal to, and what he is saying, we will put loan amount and select this one. So we have got our value here, loan amount, and what is the, in the C12 we will use payment amount. That's our C12, we will use payment amount, and we have got our results here. We will go to the name manager, and here we will make some changes because we have changed this one as a payment loan B6 and loan amount, edit this one, and this will be cell E6. We will press is equal to and close this one. So what is saying, we have got now our correct cell references here. That's our 12th step. We will move to our third part of this assignment, which is the cell our step 19. That step we need to perform on the sales worksheet. In the cell G8 we will go to the sales worksheet. In the cell G8, what is saying, use a function to determine the amount is high or low. If the amount is greater than or equal to 25,000, the status will be high, otherwise it will be low. So we will put is equal to if function, start our bracket, logical test amount, if amount is greater than or equal to 2500, then the status will be high, otherwise status will be low, and we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our result. F8 is greater than or equal to 25,000, then our result will be low. So we have got our correct formula now. That's our 19th step. The copy the formula down to all rows. So we will copy this formula downside to the column. So we have got our results here. We have got our result here. That's our 19th step. Our 20th step is sort the March transaction data in ascending order, payment type order. So we will select the sort. We will go to the data tab and we will select the sort. What is saying? Sort the March transaction data in ascending payment type order. That's our ascending. We had applied ascending to the amount field. So we will, in the 21 step, insert the subtotal that shows the sum of the amount for each change in the payment type. So we will go to the data type. Here in the subtotal we will select subtotal. We will select sum of amount at each change in the payment type. We will select payment type and press OK. So we have got our result at each payment change type. So that's our 21 step. Our 22 step is to set the following print parameters. Set the scaling so that the worksheet print on a single page. So we will go to the page layout, and here we will go to the page setup. We will select fit to one page and add a footer with your name in the center footer section. So we will go to the header and footer, and in the custom footer in the center section we will add our name. My name is Leopold, so I will put in the center. And what is saying, center the print page horizontally. We will press OK and go to the margins, and what is saying, center on the page horizontally, and press OK. So we have got our result, this page, this step done. That's our we will go to our fourth one. Our fourth one is insert a pivot table on the sales pivot worksheet. So we will go to the sales pivot worksheet. That's our sales pivot worksheet. Insert a pivot table on a new worksheet that display the average amount of for each payment type and status. So we will go to the insert pivot table. We will go to the recommended pivot table. What is saying, which one we need to select? Display the average of amount for each payment type and status. Average of amount for each payment type and status. We will select the blank pivot table. Rename the new sheet as a pivot table. We will rename this one as a pivot table. Then add the payment type to the row. We will select the payment type to row. Payment types to row. And status to the columns. I will select status to the column. And what the average amount will be placed in the values. We will select the amount in the values and select this one as a average. And what is saying, format the all values as a currency. We will go to the number format, and here we will select the currency and press OK. And OK, we have got our values in the currency. That's our 23 step, and we have total 25 steps of this assignment. I have performed different steps on the different portion of this assignment. If you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Canvas, Pearson Plus, or if you need help in Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignments, or assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.